Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy tokens from Trust Wallet. First, download and install the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Next, create a new wallet or securely import an existing one. Remember to back up your recovery phrase immediately and store it in a very safe, private location. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds if you ever lose your device. Once your wallet is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can purchase cryptocurrency like BNB or Ethereum directly within the Trust Wallet app using a third-party provider. Alternatively, transfer existing crypto from another exchange to your Trust Wallet address. Always double-check the network and address to avoid losing funds during the transfer process. With funds in your wallet, it's time to swap for your desired token. Navigate to the dApps browser within Trust Wallet and connect to a decentralized exchange, such as PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Select the cryptocurrency you hold and the new token you wish to acquire. Adjust the slippage tolerance if needed, then confirm the swap transaction. After initiating the swap, carefully review all transaction details, including the estimated gas fees, before giving final confirmation. Once confirmed, check your wallet balance to verify that your new tokens have arrived. If they don't appear automatically, you might need to add the custom token using its contract address. Congratulations on your purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.